In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate Ghibli-inspired images with AI 2026 Guide Sosis. You don't need any specialized design software or complicated setups for this. Just open your usual multimodal AI chat window or mobile app and we'll build everything right inside that conversation. Start with a clear structural request so the model knows what you're aiming for. Try something like, I want to generate a custom, high-resolution artistic image. Please prepare the image engine to adopt a classic, whimsical Japanese animation style. Next, let's unpack the visual language that creates this nostalgic, handcrafted feel. Begin with the medium. Ask for traditional textures to avoid a plastic, overly digital look. Phrases like hand-painted watercolor wash, soft gouache textures, and painterly brushstrokes immediately cue a tactile, illustrated surface. Then lean into nature-forward environments that feel inviting and slightly magical. Think lush, overgrown emerald greenery, rolling wildflower hills, and cozy storybook architecture. Finally, set the mood with lighting that carries emotion. Dappled afternoon sunlight filtering through leaves, warm golden hour glow, or cool misty morning dew can shift the scene from bright and playful to serene and reflective. The key is to combine medium, environment, and atmosphere in one rich description, and to steer clear of naming protected properties. Use evocative visuals instead. Now, assemble those elements into a structured, policy-compliant prompt. For example, a wide cinematic shot of a small, thatched roof cottage nestled beside a cascading waterfall. A tiny wooden bridge crosses a crystal-clear stream filled with smooth river stones. Lush emerald meadows covered in blooming pink and yellow wildflowers stretch toward distant green mountains. In the sky, massive, fluffy cumulus clouds drift by in a warm afternoon sun. Hand-painted anime style, whimsical storybook aesthetic, soft watercolor, and gouache textures. Nostalgia-inducing, highly detailed. If your first render feels a bit too glossy or modern, guide the model toward a gentler hand-drawn finish. Say, the image looks too sharp and modern. Please re-render it to look flatter, emphasizing soft colored pencil outlines and an authentic traditional celluloid animation grain. To adjust composition without losing the vibe, try. Maintain this exact art style, but pull the camera back into a wide landscape view, making the sky and clouds take up 2/3 of the upper frame. Iterate in small steps, keeping the art style constant while you tweak framing, light, or texture. Before sharing, do a quick compliance check. Avoid real-world logos, private locations, or any sensitive identifiers, and keep the focus on fictional, cozy, nature-driven settings for smooth processing. That's it. By swapping brand names for rich descriptions of watercolor textures, lush greenery, and nostalgic light, you can craft dreamlike worlds right from a chat window.